Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Francis. I want to show you 4 websites that you can use to generate traffic to your YouTube channel. And these 4 websites helps a lot to boost your YouTube watching time. So now I'll start by showing you one by one the website. The first website I want to show you is answer.com. In answer.com, there is a lot of questions that people are coming there to ask, and if anytime that you have a video, I want to do a video that relates to the question you want to answer in answer.com. First of all, you have to create an account with them. So sign up to the website. After signing up, then you log in. Then after logging in, you go to subject. You pick one of the subjects you want to participate in, which may be one of the question you want to answer that relates to your video you want to promote. Then what you're going to do is just click on that question and start answering the question. So after answering the question, then you can now link your YouTube link to that answer you give in answer.com, so that whoever come to your interface in answer.com, then after reading the answer you gave to them, then will now see the link to the YouTube you made for that answer you give them in answer.com, which you will now lead that person to your YouTube channel, where they will watch your video and they automatically subscribe to your channel. So that is that is how it was, and this is one of the websites that can allow you to do that. Then the second website that help you to do that is called BitChute.com. BitChute.com is a website that a lot of well-known individuals, even Donald Trump, have been using to generate traffic to either their business site or to their individual social media channel or to their YouTube channel. How it works is that first of all, you have to sign up with BitChute.com. After signing up, then you made a little video, or you create a little you cut a little video from the video you uploaded in YouTube. You cut small bit of it and upload it in BitChute.com. After uploading it, then you link that your YouTube video to that video you uploaded in BitChute.com. No, knowing quite well that the video in BitChute will be smaller, so anybody that watch the little bit of that video then saw that link would like to follow the link to finish watching the video, which will be automatically in your YouTube channel. So from there, then you generate more traffic to your YouTube channel. So now in that, even YouTube will always recommend you for doing that, because they will always like an external external link traffic that follows to their site. Then they will always rank your video higher in SEO, because they will know too well that you generate traffic from outside source. They will always make that video to be known and to be seen by a lot of people. So now um that's how it was. Then if you have not subscribed to our channel, then you click to that red button and subscribe to our channel, and click to the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video like this, then YouTube will notify you about the video. So now let me take you to another uh, uh, website called rumble.com. That is another site. This is now the third website I'm showing you now. This one is called rumble.com. Rumble.com, I have been using rumble.com for a long period of time. You can link it to your website, you can link it to your YouTube video to rumble.com, even your social media to rumble.com to generate traffic. Yes, this is how you do it. It's just like a b2.com. Then you just cut the small portion of the video, or mostly the video you want people to follow to your YouTube channel, so that anybody that watch the small part of the video would like to finish watching the video by following the link to your YouTube channel. So from there, the YouTube will always recommend you, because you are now generating outside source. That is, you are now generating uh, outside traffic to their site, and they will automatically placing it higher in a search engine. So rumble.com is one of those websites that you can use to promote your YouTube video or your website. It helps a lot. Then this now the third website I'm showing you now. Then last but not the least is Quora.com. Quora.com. This website has been using it for years, and it's really helpful. Honestly, one good thing about this uh, 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 website is that even if you don't log into website, they always send you an email of different questions people have been asking. So if you have any video that relates to any question they sent you in your email, then you can follow suit, answer the question, and go to your YouTube channel, their YouTube video that relates to that question, copy the link and paste, so that whoever read your answer will automatically follow you, the link to your video, and they know more about the question he or she asked about. So that's how it works. The Quora.com have answered a lot of question for people, and the people are using it to boost their website and their YouTube uh, channel. So if you want to answer in this platform, you just click on you see this is a lot of question people have been asking this one, and a lot of answers. Okay, if you come down here, as you can see this question now: which is the best survey site to earn $50 a day? It's only 4 person that answers questions here. If you prefer to answer this question, you can click on it and click on answer. Then you start writing your answers here. After after writing your answers for this question now, then you now link your YouTube channel to this. After linking the article to YouTube channel, whoever read this, after reading this, will like you to follow the link and watch your YouTube channel. From there, you generate traffic to your channel and also for YouTube, and YouTube will recommend you for that, and your video will be lifted up to search engine, so that a lot of people can watch the video. So that's how it was. Then In that case, this where I end today's video, and I would like you to once again subscribe to our channel, and click to that notification bell, so that whenever I drop a video like this, then YouTube will notify you and you become one of the first person to watch it. So now, how many websites have I shown you now? 4 websites, I said 4 websites. So now, first of all, answer.com. Then second one is b2.com. Then third one is rumble.com. Then fourth one is quora.com. If you use these 4 websites judiciously for linking your YouTube channel, you will not regret joining it, and you will not regret watching this video. Thank you, and God bless you.